Hi, do you know what are the native CI/CD tools and solutions across the public clouds, right? So there are three public clouds including Azure, AWS and GCP, and each of them have their own native solutions for CI/CD, right? So it is also called as CI/CD in public cloud, right? So those are the different capabilities that we can leverage for each of them or each cloud platform, right? Instead of relying on third party or public or the solutions which are already available in the market, definitely organizations can choose those native solutions and native tools for the CI/CD and DevOps frameworks altogether. So let's decode them one by one. Let's talk about Azure. Azure has its own different services including Azure DevOps, GitHub Actions for Azure. That's also one of the capability that is also integrated or available. Then we have app services, we have AKS, which is Azure Kubernetes Services, and Azure Functions. So these are the different services which are available in the public or CI/CD public into the cloud, right? So those are the native solutions that we can leverage, and there are so many which we can integrate with CI/CD and Azure DevOps practices across Azure cloud. Let's understand about the AWS, right? So there are different native services including code pipeline, code deploy and code build for EKS, ECS along with the Lambda. So these are the major services which are utilized with CI/CD and into the DevOps framework, right? So there are many other as well where we can integrate the DevOps practices and leverage them and utilize with the DevOps practices, right? So we need to understand them as well and make sure we use it appropriately with the DevOps practices, and that is going to be utilized instead of relying on third party. We can leverage the native solutions as well. Let's understand the Google Cloud, right? So Google Cloud has its own native solutions as well, including Google Cloud Build, Google Cloud Deploy, as well as Google Cloud Engine, which is also available, and app, which is also called as App Engine. Those are the few of them services, but same as AWS and Azure, it has so many services which can be integrated with the DevOps, right? And those services would also definitely be integrated and deploy and make sure we are leveraging them with the DevOps practices effectively and can be utilized. The end goal of CI/CD is to push the code to repo, and then it is going to and flow through the build and test, and then it's going to deploy, and then the monitoring performance of that application, right? So this is the flow of it. So let me know what are your thoughts, and any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching and bye for now.